based on the recently written manga of the same name by Tatsuki Fujimoto. Chainsaw Man is set in a world where monstrous beings called devils exist on Earth, and devil hunters are tasked with eliminating them. One of these hunters is Denji, a teenager who was forced into the lifestyle after being burdened with paying off his father's massive Yakuza debt. Aided by a dog devil with a chainsaw on his head named Puchita, the two have spent years gradually chipping away at Denji's debt while the teen continues to live in poverty and long for a better life. So this is an interesting story and many people wanna watch it, and those who have watched this are praising this. So for more updates, stay connected with us. Thanks to be with us.